Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, I'm gonna open up our settings, and here, scroll to the very bottom, select General Management, then scroll down, and here you'll find Reset. Click on it, and again scrolling down to the bottom you'll find Factory Data Reset. This will then present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. So if you have anything of that sort that you'd like to back up, make a obviously copy of it before you go any further. I also want to point out you do have the option to, I believe, back it up somewhere here. You can use Smart Switch to back up your data as an info, but I will say this in the most honest way, I don't recommend doing this. Smart Switch, no matter where you back it up using it, basically locks your data to Samsung's. So it's your personal data that now is basically being locked from your access as long as you're not using a Samsung device. So you can't restore it to any other device, which just kind of defeats the purpose of a backup, right? So what I recommend doing is just plugging in your device to your computer with the cable and then moving over the data manually. But I also want to add a bit of an asterisk. Depending on how much data you keep on your device, you might be forced to move it in chunks. Because Samsung is being an annoying piece of trash when it comes down to these things, so it will just automatically disconnect your device without any reason to interrupt the transfer. That's what was happening to me with my Fold, and I was forced to use this dog shit, and then I found out I couldn't restore it to my other device. So just go through your data, move it, for instance, piece by piece, not like everything at once, and you should be good to go. But it's much more convenient to go through this inconvenience now and later have the access to all your data without any kind of restrictions put onto you by a company like this. Anyway, there's nothing here that I want to maintain, so I'm just going to select Reset. I do need to draw a pattern, and you will too if you have one, or just PIN or password. And if you have also your Samsung account signed in, you will need to sign out of it. If you don't have a Samsung account and just Google, don't worry, this won't matter then. I didn't have a Samsung account signed in on here, so it automatically jumps to resetting the device. And this process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.